It's called egg roulette.
Okay,
You hurt yourself.
Y'all look, it's the egg. I'm about to crack. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh.
Oh. Give me some salt. Yo, what's up, guys? Today's episode is brought to you by Frances Creations.
Yes, y'all. Frances Creations, y'all. All of her products in the field of cosmetics, y'all. And these are all organic products, y'all. It's made for skin and hair.
All of her products are organic, vegan, and chemical free.
For all ages, grandmas, aunties, whatever.
All of her products are specifically targeting hair growth. So I mean, if you had that little struggle in that area where it won't grow, yeah. Now look, this the gist. Now we're gonna leave the link below. Website, go on there, purchase all type of items, and we can guarantee you 10% off if you use the promo code LEAF. What's the promo code?
LEAF.
What's the promo code?
LEAF.
Now we're gonna leave Miss Frances Creations Instagram and social media down below. I say, yo, what's up? This your boy, Clip Boy, and this is my beautiful wife,
DEANDRA Summer.
Hey, and today, guys,
we is bringing y'all a challenge. What type of challenge is this? Egg roulette challenge.
I get to shoot you with the egg.
No, boo, you shoot yourself with the egg. You hit yourself with the egg. How you do this challenge, y'all? We have 24 eggs all together. 8 of them is not boiled. We don't know which one is not boiled. Okay? So whatever one we want to pick up, and we gotta smash it on our head.
You know, fun fact. They say when you boil an egg and when you don't have a boiled egg, it's the same consistency. You can't tell.
All of
You
them
can't
feel the same.
So look, check this out. Stop doing that. That's against the rules. Because once you touch an egg, you can't be like, oh, it feels yolky, I'm gonna put it back. Once you touch an egg, you must use it.
Yeah, when you touch it, you must.
Russian roulette.
You gotta keep it going, or whatever.
One shot.
Yeah.
Oh, so, hold on, another question. When you boil what you boil, you didn't say, okay, let me put 4 over here and put 4 over there. You don't know what is what.
No.
Give me 5. So if I wanted to trade cartons, would you?
No.
You wouldn't?
I don't think I want to trade cards. What? What would you want to trade with me?
Because I don't trust you.
You thinking, no. What
You want to put the eggs back in the car.
But I was sitting right here. I was going to sit right here. I don't know which one is which.
So you don't want to trade?
Because I don't want to trade. Why you want to trade?
Alright, look, check this out.
Tell me why you want to trade.
Because I don't trust her.
No.
I'll tell you why. I think she put all the yolky eggs in here. The ones that...
Why would I put all of them in there?
Because you DEANDRA.
I won't do that, okay? I promise. I don't know which one is which. You want to do rock, paper, scissors? Who go first?
Alright, we good. One time, though.
One time. Of course, one time.
Okay. Shoot is when we deploy our weapon.
Like I don't know. Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I go first. Wait,
that's what she said, right? Can we make it fun? Can I pick your egg and then you must bust it on your head to see, and then
oh, okay, yeah, we can do that.
And I'm gonna pick her first egg, you guys.
Oh my god!
Hey, before I get into this, like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that post notification bell to be alerted for any more and new videos and upcoming things like that.
Oh my god!
Ready?
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, smash that bit on your forehead.
This one. Okay. 1, 2. Open the. 1, 2.
Man, if you want to smash that thing.
Oh.
Oh, snap. Hey. Hello.
Like, you better go pick some flowers.
I trying to look like a motherfucking thug, man. Hey, you saying that delicate shit. You could have said it looked like you trying to work in dirt. Don't pick flowers, man.
Like you trying to work in dirt.
Sure, whatever. Go ahead. Your turn. You pick whatever one.
This one.
Which one?
This one.
I'm gonna just put this egg back real quick.
You gotta switch it.
I ain't switching nothing, babe. Try me like that. Straight gangster. Gotta smash it hard or what?
Yeah, just smash it. I think it cracked.
Ooh, you boy got lucky!
Oh my God.
Boy, hey, who want yolk on their face? Oh, who want yolk on their face?
You smash that egg hard. You cut your big old head. You cut the whole head. Your turn. Pick which one. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, obviously this is a boiled egg.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah.
Remember that you hurt yourself.
They ain't got no season on. You see him talking about
Caveman ain't complaining about. What's up? You go.
Okay, let me see which one. This one.
Oh! Hey.
I picked a good one. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need a napkin. You got the ones from McDonald's, right?
McDonald's.
Oh yeah, the Popeyes one's way better.
Boy, this is not a Popeye. Napkin. Which one you want me to do?
Hey babe, bring me that brush. Now, I need to brush my beard. I need to find some products. Make my beard good.
Oh, I know what can make it big, girl.
What?
Frances Creations, yeah, the little patch that you got right there. She got some products, some cosmetic products that you can put in the little ball spot you got, and it'll have you some roast.
The actual my beard full like roast.
Yep.
Full like roast.
Yep.
Boy, if you don't get... Why the fuck would he say that?
Oh, I know what can make it big, girl. Frances Creations.
So,
Get that,
Frances.
Yeah.
I picked this egg though. Smash it. I ain't scientific. Look at the egg you picked. What you gonna look? Oh, the diameter off. The geometry x times square plus 2.
Cause how you know you put this egg?
Man, if you wanna smash that damn egg,
Okay.
it all tastes the same. Nah, hell no! Smash that shit. Smash it. Smash. You can't crack an egg. Oh,
That's how I crack an egg.
that's how you crack an egg on your head. You got a hard forehead. Look at my egg. That's how you crack an egg, D. D, in the morning if I want to scramble eggs, that's how you would crack it. How the yolk come out, D? Look at my egg and look at yours, D. D, look at my egg and look at
Your
yours,
head
D.
bigger than mine. Obviously.
Oh no, bro. Oh no.
Obviously.
Oh my! Every episode this happened. She's a cheater.
Yeah.
You a cheater.
No.
You a cheater. Look at your smooth, dry forehead. What's up? You see how hard that was?
What are you talking about? I don't know.
You have to
Smash it. You don't test it. You smash it.
Of course, I wasn't testing it.
Really?
Okay.
All right, I got one for your ass. That one. Nope.
I'm not even finna smash it. Oh. You did know.
I bought them.
Okay. I got 2 eggs on me.
Yep. Hey, babe, drop a beat real quick. Drop a beat like on there.
A beat? Alright, I got you. A beat.
Yeah.
Wait.
You gotta make it funky. I ain't say something like a groove too, something like a rap too.
Okay.
Okay. I'll do my own beat. Come on, Nick Cannon. You don't smash the eggs right. I just wanted a groovy beat.
But I know how to rap though. Yeah.
just can't get jiggy with this shit.
Oh my God.
Who go?
This one.
That one. Watch this. What is the benefits of eggs? Let's learn something this episode.
That wasn't how you cheat.
No. We gotta teach them something about eggs.
Eggs give you protein.
This will make your fart stink.
Lots of protein. Yeah, that's no good.
This make your fart stink.
Yes, and it's very easy.
All right. Smash it hard.
I'm gonna smash it hard. Ow.
Oh, D, wait. Oh my God.
Ain't that wrong?
No, I got stabbed in your forehead. Whatever one of them little sharp ass little shits right here from the egg, it was like sticking out your forehead like a unicorn horn. Mm-hmm. You got a headache?
That one.
I'm hungry as hell. Oh, I'm safe. I'm safe.
Oh, wow.
I'm safe.
Oh.
Safe. Yeah, we're safe. No, that's not how it is.
Come on, SpongeBob.
Yeah, that's where it comes from. You gotta ask Desi. Oh! Yeah, subscribe to this channel. Look, let's see how many eggs we got left. Count yours. 1, 2, 3, 4.
6.
Not 7, so it's my turn.
This one.
This one. Oh!
You was so confident, awesome.
No, cause I was hungry. My whole gangster bandana messed up, huh?
Gangsta bandana?
Oh, gangsta bandana, huh?
You gotta watch your gangsta bandana then.
Okay, so what we're 2-2? We 2-2. 2-2. 2-2. What happened, D? You got like your lashes came off. What? My gangster bandana cricket? That's why I was turned, cause it's wet.
Yup.
This one.
Who's knocking on the door?
Sorry about that, man. Had to go try to make this beard look great. I need something for it.
Know what you can get for it.
Miss Frances Creations has great deals for all type of cosmetic, skin, and hair products alike.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and through Leaf of the Family, we're going to grant you access to 10% off if you use the promo code LEAF, and we'll leave the description below. Miss Frances.
Oh.
Alright, what you want to hurt me because you hurt yourself? That's crazy, bro. You looked at me like, you keep telling me to smash my ass, I'm gonna hit you. Like, that's what you was looking like. And I was gonna be dumb enough to be like, alright, hit me back. And I said, oh no, I ain't touch you. Oh no, you ain't set me up.
Yeah.
It's called egg roulette.
Okay,
you
that
hurt
one.
yourself. This one?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh my God, I can't believe I got another egg.
Okay, which one?
This from Miss Frances
Me and Frances.
Creations. That's for the 10%
Miss
that
Frances,
say
I hope this is a cooked egg.
boiled, cooked, boiled, scrambled, baked.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Yes! Y'all see that? What? Hey, Miss Frances, I did it for you. I did it for you. Hey, I did it for you. Yes, since I did that, you guys like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna tell you what just happened. Since she cracked the egg when I said Miss Frances' name, you guys get to save 10% of all purchases by using the promo code LEAF.
Promo code LEAF. And it's free shipping, y'all, on any product.
I'm telling you. What we got? That was it?
Yeah.
We got staples. Oh! Man, I need your assistance, man.
Oh, damn, you should trade, huh? Oh.
Oh, you want to smash that shit? The yolk probably make that bruise go down.
Oh.
They gonna think you dating Mike Tyson around this motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Why you ain't trade?
No.
Why you ain't want to trade?
Because you seem too confident.
Hey, shout out to Desert Such a Lady, man. I love her so much. I promise.
Yeah,
I promise. I love her.
Whatever. Anyway.
You
Yeah.
my ID. No, go get my wallet. Look at my ID.
Well, shut up.
I know.
By the way, we're gonna leave a pinned comment about the 10%, y'all. The 10% off. Y'all make sure y'all use that promo code LEAF, okay? And it is free shipping on all of her products, okay? And we will leave her group.
We'll leave that in the descriptions below. Go to the website, search products, 10% off with the promo code. What's the promo code?
LEAF.
As of now, we're on the road to 1K, and once we pass it, we're going to do a giveaway. And the giveaway, we're going to have special details. So watch our next video.
Oh, and y'all, this giveaway is sponsored by Frances. Okay, y'all? And you gotta be subscribed to this channel, have your post notifications on, all that.
Follow our Instagram.
Yes, follow us on Instagram.
I'm a clip boy. This is DEANDRA Summer. She all eggy and shit. I like to say,
Keep it easy.
hopefully Miss Frances got some stuff to get this out.
Paving this shit crank.